What is impedance? Impedance refers to the total opposition or resistance that an electric circuit presents to the flow of alternating current AC at a specific frequency. It is a combination of resistance which limits the flow of direct current and reactance which limits the flow of AC. In other words, impedance is the ratio of voltage to current in a circuit. It is represented by the symbol Z and is measured in ohms omega. Impedance varies with frequency, so it is typically described as a complex quantity that includes both a magnitude and a phase angle. The magnitude of impedance can be calculated using the formula Z equals square root R squared plus X squared, where R is the resistance and X is the reactance. The phase angle is the angle between the voltage and current waveforms and is expressed in degrees or radians. Impedance plays an important role in the design and analysis of electrical and electronic circuits. Matching the impedance of components and circuits is essential for efficient power transfer and minimizing signal loss or distortion.